Hey guys, welcome back to Observe. It's Juliana. Today we're gonna go through 6 game-changing styling tips for longer legs and smaller waist.
I've always been asked by you guys about my height. Some of y'all thought that I'm 5'6", but in fact I'm just 5'2", which is about 159 centimeters tall.
Well, of course camera angle helped me a lot, but I guess the game changer is my outfit. You might barely notice that I actually have a long torso and short legs, which is about a ratio of 5:5. While I think the standard is 4:6 to be considered as a balanced body type, my measurement will fall into the category of short legs. So, how did I create that illusion? Here's my first secret. Wear everything high-waisted, no matter it's your pants, short, skirt, or whatever. Because regardless of your body type, the waistband in the high-waisted pants is always gonna be perfectly placed to make your waist look thinner. This accentuates the smallest part of your waist and draws attention to it. And human eyes will naturally assume that your leg starts where your waist starts. By wearing high-waisted bottom, your legs will appear to start higher on your torso, and consequently, they will look much longer than they actually are. Second, tuck your shirt in. Just like a high waist makes your legs appear longer and your torso shorter, a long shirt will actually do the opposite. To give a loose blouse for making your legs look shorter, be sure to tuck it in. Pair the tucked-in shirt with a high-waisted bottom for extra leg lengthening power. By doing so, you are actually achieving that desirable hourglass figure with minimal effort. But what if you don't like tucking your shirt in? Then consider 3. Go for cropped tops. Crop tops are honestly a godsend. They shorten the look of your torso and make your legs appear longer. You can also make a tight front or not front tee to achieve the same leg lengthening trick. Four, figure-fitted clothes or dresses. Nothing kills your look more than ill-fitted clothes. And if you're petite, you can make yourself look even smaller. Be certain to dress that fit well on your body. Adding curve-hugging outfits in your wardrobe is crucial. And a warm reminder, if you're a short girl like me, avoid skirts that fall at your calves. Because calves are the large muscles. They tend to be the thickest part of a person's legs. When a skirt ends at the calves, it can make even the tallest person look stumpy. Instead, stick to skirts that fall either closer to the ankles or at the knee or above. Match it with a handbag and boom, you look gorgeous and elegant. This stunning bag with me is the Kim Staccato 11 inches in light beige by Teddy Blake. They're one of the New York brands that's looking to democratize the luxury leather handbag industry by offering the same quality in terms of leather, craftsmanship, and look, but at a fraction of the price. So it's pretty great. They also have many other designer bags on the website, so I'll link them down below, and of course my discount code, so you can save some money while spoiling yourself. 5. Keep your hands high. A simple way to make legs look longer is show them off. Wear shorts or short skirt often. The shorter the cut, the longer your legs will look. Last but not least, belts. They're honestly underrated. Belts make a significant difference to an outfit, not only in style, but also it gives its shape. It also helps your tummy appear flatter. By tightening your waistline, especially on some loose clothes, you immediately got the hourglass figure. Can you see that? And it also makes your legs look much longer. Here are the 6 life-changing hacks. You probably know some of them already, but have you been using those tricks? Oh, and most of the outfits here are from YesStyle. They sell Korean and Asian fashion and K-beauty products. They're based in Hong Kong, but they ship worldwide. I also have a special discount code for you guys, so you all can save some money again, and check out the description box below. If you like and want some more videos like this, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Also comment down below, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!